Hello and welcome to CS Passionate. From today, we are going to start Java tutorial series for beginners. So let's start with an introduction of Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language and it is inherited from C and C++. Syntaxes of Java derives from C and object-oriented programming features derives from C++. Java is developed by James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystem in the year 1991. After the efforts of 1.5 years, the first working version came with the name Oak. But Oak had already registered so that it was renamed as Java in the year 1995. And many other people contributed to design and development of the language. And it becomes the first publicly available version of Java, JDK 1.0. In the year 2010, Sun Microsystem acquired by the Oracle Corporation. So now all new versions of Java is designed and developed by Oracle Corporation. While developing the Java, the main aim and goal of the team is platform independency. That is, they want to develop a language that works on any platform. So that's it for today. In next video, we will learn features of Java so that we can get the actual power of Java. That's it. Goodbye and have a great day.